Friends, this is Sampal Lokesh. Today our topic is satellite communication. Our teammates are Venteja, Vikram and Srinath Venkat. Agenda. Introduction. Working satellite launch vehicles. Advantages of satellite communications. Disadvantages of satellite communication. Applications. Conclusion. Introduction. The word satellite is originated from the Latin word satellite means an attendant, one who is constantly hovering around. A satellite is a simple anybody that moves around the another, usually much larger, one in a mathematically predictable path called an orbit. The diagrammatic representation of the satellite. Working. The basic elements of the satellite communication system. The process begins at the Earth station, an installation designed to transmit the receiver signals from the satellite in the orbit around the Earth. Earth stations send the information in the form of high-powered, high-frequency signals to the satellites, which receive and transmit the signals back to the Earth, where they are received by the other Earth stations in the coverage area of the satellite. The transmission system from the Earth station to the satellite is called uplink, and the system from the satellite is called downlink.
Hi, I am Venkateja. This is a diagram to represent downlink and uplink. The method to represent how satellite works under different conditions. Frequency bands. Different kinds of satellites uses different frequency bands. L band 1 to 2 GHz, S band 2 to 4 GHz, C band 4 to 8 GHz, X band 8 to 12.5 GHz, KU band 12.5 to 26.5 GHz, K band 18 to 26.5 GHz, Ka band 26.5 to 40 GHz. Satellite launch vehicles. In space flight, a launch vehicle or carrier rocket is a rocket used to carry a payload from Earth's surface into outer space. A launch system includes the launch vehicle, a launch pad, and other infrastructures. Although a carrier rocket's payload is often an artificial satellite placed into orbit, some space flights, such as sounding rockets, are suborbital, while others enable spacecraft to escape Earth orbit entirely. One of the examples of satellite launch vehicle is PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. PSLV. The PSLV is one of the most world's reliable launch vehicles. It has been in service for every 20 years and has launched various satellites. Vehicle specification: height 44 meter, diameter 2.8 meter, number of stages 4, lift of mass 320 tons, variants 3, PSLV-G, PSLV-BCA, PSLV-XL. First flight September 20, 1993.
I am Srinath Venkat. Advantages: the coverage area of a satellite greatly exceeds that of terrestrial system. Transmission cost of satellite is independent of the distance from the center of the coverage area. Satellite to satellite communication is very precise. Higher bandwidth are available for use. Disadvantages: launching satellites into orbits is costly. Satellite bandwidth is gradually becoming used up. There is larger propagation delay in satellite communication than the terrestrial communication.
I'm Vikram. Applications of satellite communication. Telephony, fixed points, earth station, satellite, television and radio. Example, direct broadcast satellites and fixed service satellites. Mobile satellite technology. Special antenna called mobile satellite antenna. Amateur radio access to Oscar satellite, low Earth orbits. Internet, high speed, useful for faraway places. Military uses geostationary satellites. Conclusion: satellite systems are not aimed to replace terrestrial systems but at complementing them. GEOs are ideal for TV and radio broadcasting, and they do not need handover because of its larger footprint. Lifetime of GEOs are rather high, about 15 years. LEOs need a network of satellites and appropriate for voice communications. In LEOs, handover is frequent and routing is must. MEOs are in between LEOs and GEOs in every aspect. Thank you.